Alright, this is part 3 where I still got one main obvious dent right over here I need to work on. Okay, so yeah, part 3. On the part 2nd, yeah, I brought out most of it, so yeah, then I got pretty tired. So anyway, now part 3, I need to work on that part. Here we go. I just put it a couple minutes ago and trying to see, is it dry enough? Okay. Okay. Came off too soon. Okay, try it again. Put some more glue. Alright, so here we go. I put on additional other spots so just to even it out a little more. And this is the one where there's a good dent right here. So we need to get the dent out of this one. Okay. And yeah, just doing it little by little. Okay. The other ones are, I'm just trying to even it out because I was still slightly bent in a little. So once those are dried up, then I work on those. Which after this, I should be drying up. So okay, a little came out, so I can push in a little more. Here we go. Okay, that one came out. All right, let's see. Oh, I need that plastic putter. Nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this putter knife is good so it doesn't scratch the car. Oh, wow, this glue really stuck on. Okay. Yeah, later on I gotta use a WD-40. Good amount here to get all this, and then wow, hey, it worked. The dent is gone almost. It came out. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Then came out. Okay, so now let's get on top. Okay. Right here. Let's get this part. Okay, pretty tight. Let's go, working it. Yeah. I'm working it, come on up. Yep. Okay. Oh, good amount came out. Yep. Okay. So that one came out. Now let's see on this side. Okay. So All right, so that area needs to come out a little just to even it out. Yeah, okay, so oh yeah, it got really better. Okay, whew. The glue is tight. Okay, so yeah, a little more over here more. Okay, just yeah, a little bit here, dent right there. Yeah. So okay, so far, other than the glue marks, yeah, it's major dents are all taken out. So it looks pretty good so far. Yeah. Yeah, so very hard to believe. This cheap repair kit, dent repair kit worked. And most of the dents are all gone. It just glue marks. Okay. What I'll do is I'll spray WD-40, loosen them up, and then start wiping little by little. But yeah, as far as all the dents, major ones that's real obvious is gone. And I even got a shape of the right over the tire. Yeah, that round shape. Yeah, I got them back. And yeah, you can see the dents are all gone. Yeah, just slight little hand there, and yeah, I'm not perfect. So anyway, yeah, in regards to this, what they said was I was checking in, and then they said they have to change the panel. They don't do individual repair work such as this. So that fender panel, yeah, this portion, they say, yeah, they got to order from the dealer and replace it. It was estimated 1,500 to 2,000. So I go, oh, okay, with labor, everything all included. So I said, no, yeah. So yeah, the dents are gone. Okay, it's been a good day. This is my third attempt, and I just gotta clean them up. Yeah, so here we go, WD-40. This is a specialist water resistant silicone lubricant, so I hope this one works. I'll spray some and leave it alone, so that way maybe it will loosen them up and I can wipe off, okay, the glue portion. Because yeah, this is what's remaining on is the glue that I use. Yeah, the glue sticks all dried up. Yep, there we go. So I still got a little dent over there. I'm not perfect, so anyway, yeah. So here we go. Sprayed it up. Let it alone for a while, and then later I'll wipe it. All right. So let's see. We got glue marks. Yeah, dried up glue right on top of it. So I'll wipe a little. Okay. It's gonna take some time to take the glue off. Okay, but as far as concerned, glue is not damaging the car, so I'm not gonna pay too much attention removing right away. It's gonna fall off eventually. But main thing is, wow, gotta say, the dent is gone, most of it. There's a slight little dent still left. Okay, maybe one day I'll work on that, but here we go. The dents are gone. All good. Okay, so this is my third and final try. It worked.